Subtraction Level 4. In Addition Level 4, we learned how to partition numbers into their tens and units. For example, in the number 24, we have 4 units, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 2 tens. 1, 2. 10, 20, there's the 20. 1, 2, 3, 4. 24. 2 tens and 4 units. 24. If we look at the number 61, it has 6 tens and 1 unit. 6 tens, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, and 1 unit. 1. 61. Let's try another one. The number 43, 4 tens and 3 units. Here are the tens, 1, 2, 3, 4. And now I want 3 units. 10, 20, 30, 40, 1, 2, 3. 43. 4 tens and 3 units. See if you can make the number 38 with your Lego bricks. Pause the video and then when you've finished, start again to see if you got it right. 38 is 3 tens and 8 units. 10, 20, 30, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 38. Try this one. How would we make the number 7 using your Lego? Have a go. Here's the number 7, and there are no tens and 7 units. There's no 0 in front, but all we need are unit bricks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Have a go at this one. 60. 6 tens and no units. So this time we have a pile of 6 tens on the tens column, but no units in the units column. And when we write 60, we have to say that there are no units, because otherwise it would say 6. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. 6 tens and no units. Let's have a see how we can use tens and units to make subtraction really easy. I'm going to do 27 take away 16 using tens and units. So first I need to make 27. Here is 27 made with the tens and units blocks. 2 tens and 7 units. So first of all, starting with the units, I'm going to take 6 away from the 7. So here's 6 blocks taken away, and we're left with 7 take away 6 is 1. Moving to the tens, 2 take away 1 is 1. And the answer is 1 10 and 1 unit. So the answer, of course, is 11. 1 10 and 1 unit is 11. 27 take away 16 is 11. Let's try 45 take away 21 using tens and units. Here's the 45 made with the tens and units. Starting with the units, I must take away 1 from 5. 5 take away 1 is 4. Over to the tens. 4 take away 2 is 2. The answer, 2 tens and 4 units. Two tens and 4 units is 24. 45 take away 21 is 24. Try the next one with your Lego blocks. Use your Lego to solve 38 take away 15. Pause the video and have a go, then replay to see if you got it right. Here's 38 made with 3 tens and 8 units, and I'm going to take away 15, which is 1 10 and 5 units, starting with the units. 8 take away 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 8 take away 5 is 3. Now to the tens. 3 take away 1 is 2. 2 tens and 3 units. Two tens and 3 units is 23. Try another one. 84 take away 61. Pause the video and have a go. Here's 84 made with the blocks. 8 tens and 4 units. And I'm going to take away 61. 6 tens and 1 unit. Units first. 4 take away 1 is 3. Now to the tens. 8 and then take away 6 leaves us with 2 tens. 2 tens and 3 units, which is 23. 84 take away 61 is 23. Let's try this one together. 38 take away 16. So we're going to make 38 with 3 tens and 8 units. Now we're going to take away 16, which is 1 10 and 6 units. Units first. 8 take away 6 leaves 2. Over to the tens. 3 take away 1 leaves 2. So I've got 2 tens and 2 units, 22. So far, all our sums have been quite easy because we've always had enough tens to take away the tens we want to take away, and we've always had enough units to take away the units that we want to take away. But look at 51 take away 27. In 51 there's only 1 unit, and I will need to take 7 units away from it. So let's have a look at how we overcome this problem of not enough units. Here's my 51 made with 5 tens and 1 unit. I'm going to take 27 away. Starting with the units. Oh, I can't take 7 away from 1. I don't have enough units. I do have a pile of tens though. So what I'm going to do is borrow one of the tens and add it to the units. Now I've got 11 units and 4 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4. All I've done is moved a 10 across. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 1. I've still got the same number altogether. I've just used the 10 to make the sum more simple. So now I have 11 units. I can take 7 away. 11 take away 7, using my fingers, is 11 in my head, 10, 9, 8, 7. I've used 4 fingers. 11 take away 7 is 4. So let's put 4 units in the unit column. 1, 2, 3, 4. Over to the tens. I did have 5 tens, but I've used 1, so now I've got 4. 4 take away 2 is 2. And I'm left with 2 tens and 4 units, 24. 51 take away 27 is 24. Let's do that again. 51 take away 27. There's my 5 tens and 1 unit. I can't take 7 away from 1. So I'll go to the tens and borrow 1. Now I have 11 in the units and 4 tens. 11 take away 7 is 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 4. The answer's 4. So I'll put in 4 units. From my remaining 4 tens, I take 2. 4 take away 2 is 2. 2 tens and 4 units, 24. 42 take away 28. So let's make 42 with 4 tens and 2 units. And we'll take away 28. Straight away I see I can't take 8 units away from 2 units. But I do have a big pile of tens here, so let's borrow 1. Move the 10 across into the units, and now we can see I have 12 units. And I've used a 10, so I have 3 tens. I can now do my first part of the sum. 12 take away 8. 12 in my head, using my fingers. 11, 10, 9, 8. I've used 4 fingers, so the answer is 4. 12 take away 8 is 4. 4 units in the units box. Moving to the tens. I did have 4 tens, but I used 1, so now I've got 3. 3 take away 2 is 1. 1 10 and 4 units, 14. Try 31 take away 19 yourself with your Lego. Pause the video and have a go. Just remember that you need to borrow a 10 from the tens column, and then you'll be able to do your 1 take away 9. Play the video when you've finished. Here we are with the 31, 3 tens and 1 unit. I want to take away 19. Straight away I see I can't take 9 away from 1. First thing to do, borrow a 10. I now have 11 units. I can take 9 away. 11 take away 9 is 2. 2 units. Moving over to the tens, I did have 3. I used 1, now I have 2. 2 take away 1 is 1. 1 10 and 2 units, 12. So 31 take away 19 is 12. 1 10 and 2 units. Let's see how we would do that on the board. 31 take away 19. So first of all, I'm going to write it down in tens and units. There's my tens and units columns. 3 tens and 1 unit is 31, and I'm taking away 1 10 and 9 units. There's my subtraction sign. I'm going to write the answer between these two lines. The first thing to do is the units. 1 take away 9. Well, I can't take 9 away from 1. So I'm going to go to the tens column and borrow a 10. I've got 3 tens there. If I take 1 away and put it in the units, I'd be left with 2 tens. And I'll end up with 10 plus 1, which is 11 units. And it's the same as just writing a 1 in front of the units, because that's what you do when you add 10. Now I can say 11 take away 9 is 11, 10, 9, 2. And 2 take away 1 is 1. The answer's 12. Let's try this one on the board. 71 take away 43. Tens and units columns first. 71 is 7 tens and 1 unit. 43, the number I'm taking away, is 4 tens and 3 units. Drawing my answer lines, and we're going to start with the units. 1 take away 3. I can't do that, 3 is bigger. If there's more on the floor, knock next door. So I'm going to go next door to the tens column, where I have 7 tens, and I'm going to borrow 1. That leaves me with 6 tens, and when I carry it across, I write the 1 in front to give me 11 units. Now I can say 11 take away 3. 11 in my head, 10, 9, 8. The answer's 8. Over to the tens. 6 take away 4. 6 take away 4 is 2. And the answer is 28. 2 tens and 8 units. Let's check that using the blocks. Here I have my 71 with 7 tens and 1 unit. And I'm going to take away 4 tens and 3 units, starting with the units. 1 take away 3 can't be done. So I'm going to borrow a 10. Now I have 11 units. 11 take away 3, 10, 9, 8. The answer is 8. 8 units. So we'll replace the blocks and put in our 8 units. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Over to the tens. I did have 7, but I've used 1. 6 take away 4 is 2. And the answer is 2 tens and 8 units, 28. Let's try another one on the board. 60 take away 14. So with the tens and units, 6 tens and no units. There's my subtraction sign, 1 10 and 4 units. Starting with the units. Well, I can't take 4 away from nothing. No blocks, and I want to take 4 away. So what I'm going to do is knock next door, borrow a 10 off the 6, which will leave it with 5, put the 1 in front, which gives me 10 in the units column. 10 take away 4. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. The answer is 6. 6 units. Over to the tens. I did have 6, but now I've got 5. Take away 1, which is 4. The answer is 4 tens and 6 units. 46. Let's try another one. 71. Take away 49. Pause the video and try this one yourself, then restart the video to see if you got it right. "71 take away 49. Tens and units. 7 tens and 1 unit. Take away 4 tens and 9 units. And we'll start with the units. 1 take away 9 can't be done, so borrow a 10. If there's more on the floor, knock next door. 7 take away 1 10 is 6, and carry it across, 1 in front. 11 take away 9 is 2. And 6 take away 4 is 2. Answer 22. I hope you got it right. Try this one. Pause the video and then restart when you've finished to see if you got it right. 34 take away 18. Write in the tens and units. 3 tens, 4 units, take away 1 10 and 8 units. Starting with the units, can I take 8 away from 4? Well, if there's more on the floor, borrow from next door. I'm going to need to borrow a 10. 3 take away 1 is 2, carry it across to make 14. Now I can do 14, take away 8. And 14 take away 8 using my fingers is 6. Over to the tens. 2 take away 1 is 1. 34 take away 18 is 16. I hope you got it right. Try these two. Pause the video, do both sums, and then start the video again to see if you got them right. "43 take away 21. 3 take away 1. Well, I can actually do this. I don't need to borrow. So 3 take away 1 is 2. Over to the tens. 4 take away 2 is 2. Easy. Now let's try 71 take away 54. 1 take away 4. Well, there's more on the floor, so I'll go next door and borrow a 10. 1 less than 7 is 6, and I'm going to put that 10 there to make 11. 11 take away 4 is 7. And 6 take away 5 is 1. Did you get it right? Let's try 2 more. Try 41 take away 32 and 76 take away 15. Pause the video and then start again when you're ready to see the answers and check if you got them right. "41 take away 32. Starting with the units, 1 take away 2. Well, there's more on the floor, so I'll have to go next door and borrow a 10. That leaves me with 3 tens and 11 units. 11 take away 2 is 9. 3 take away 3 is nothing. And we don't need to write zeros. in front of our numbers. Let's try 76 take away 15. Six take away 5. Well, I can do that nice and easy. 6 take away 5 is 1, and 7 take away 1 is 6. So the answer is 61. Well done, you've completed the video, and there are more sums to practice in your workbook. Don't forget to do the rest of the lessons in your book over the next few days.